In this video, we're going to do a head-to-head comparison of Sage Intacct Construction and Viewpoint. I'm David the Sock Guy, and what we've been doing over on our Ledger newsletter on LinkedIn is talking about how Sage Intacct Construction stacks up against several other popular accounting software products that are out there in the world that people are looking into. At Sockeye, we like having our customers and the people who view this channel to be well informed and get an idea of what software products and capabilities are out there for them to consider, especially if they're looking at a new solution for their company. Now, Vista Construction Software by Viewpoint, which, side note, is now owned by Trimble, is an enterprise construction accounting system that takes what we would call an all-in-one approach, offering project management tools, job costing modules, and employee management solutions and construction data reporting. It'll have pre-built things in it like contract summary reports, progress billing reports, as well as job code by phase reports, cost type reports, and more. Sage Intacct, by comparison, is what's called a true cloud solution and ERP solution, meaning that Sage Intacct's team only has to maintain one version of the software, and they release updates frequently, typically by quarter. And you always have the latest version of the software, and you never have to schedule downtime to upgrade. In contrast, Viewpoint is available to be hosted on the cloud, but also supports an on-prem deployment option, which means that it's technically not a true cloud solution because you'll have to pay for a third-party cloud hosting service and schedule time for things like upgrades to the newest release, which could also incur additional cost and downtime. And really, when it comes down to the key features that these two software offers, looking at Sage Intacct, it offers construction-specific capabilities similar to its predecessors like Sage 100 Contractor and Sage 300 CRE, with a host of new capabilities as well, such as real-time reporting and dashboards, and as well as KPIs and advanced features such as deferred revenue management, project accounting, multi-currency, and global consolidations. These are features you typically don't find in an all-in-one solution, and these are very user-friendly, and they're made possible by Sage Intacct's Dimensional General Ledger. We've talked about the Dimensional General Ledger a lot, but in short, the dimensional accounting capabilities in Sage Intacct offer construction companies the ability to drill down and get detailed, holistic views of their operations that they can't get in a traditional accounting system. In contrast, Viewpoint's General Ledger is not as customizable or flexible. Reviews note that the process for posting transactions to the General Ledger can be described as, quote, clunky, and the interface is antiquated with some key fields having short character limits, with one reviewer noting that this meant that the quarter of their vendors' names had to get truncated when they print their checks, something that you might not necessarily want to do. Now, we do go into a lot more detail in the article in the description below. We talk about things like pricing and support, as well as give some final takeaways for people to consider when they're looking at these two systems side by side. So check that out in the description below. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.